Hey! In front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin with accessing settings. After that, you need to click on Connection and Sharing under Portable Hotspot. And then click on Printing section. Now you can click on System Printing Service right away or tap on Add Service and install the best one for your printer. I will go with HP one. When it's ready, you need to go back and tap on one of your services. I will go with HP one. Then click on this switcher if it's not already on and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!